I'm about to play number 8 in Essential Elements, but before I do, I want to talk a little bit about the yellow box that's right above number 8. The repeat sign is it can be kind of anywhere in music, and it's a solid black line, a thin black line, and 2 dots. And that means to repeat either back to the beginning, as in number 8, or back to a sign. They can have repeat signs that kind of face each other, and you can go to that repeat sign. If you see one, you can go back either to all the way to the beginning, and you'll figure this out. In number 8, this is all the way back to the beginning, and I will take the repeat. So here's number 8. This is pizzicato. My hand can be up here resting on the shoulder or down on my leg, doesn't matter. What matters is my thumb is on the edge of the fingerboard, not under the fingerboard, not down here near the rosin, and not way up here near my face. Right in the middle, between here, this point, and this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2